Welcome to TT's Corner. Today, September 4th, the day after the general election in Jamaica, and it is a bittersweet day for me. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has received a third term, but I am not completely happy, because we've lost 15 seats, but one of the loss really hit me badly, and that is Ann Marie Vaz. And it doesn't sit well with me, because I know Mrs. Vaz is one of the hardest working politician there is, hardest working MP. And in Portland, she have done a lot to develop Portland, and she laid many carpets throughout East Portland, and the people there gave her a smack in the face, and that's not good, and it doesn't sit well with me. It really hurts. Also, I see where Campbell and Bunting is back, but I'm telling you, it's bittersweet, very bittersweet. And Ann Marie Vaz and for Dayton Campbell and Peter Bunting, those things doesn't pass the smell test for me. And I know it's gonna take a while, but I'm hoping that they do some investigation to see if anything nefarious transpired. So I'm happy for the third term, but I am just unhappy about the loss. Even job boss, I just don't get it. To me, the people of Jamaica vote against their own interests, and I don't know why. I just don't get it. So this is me. I am in a bittersweet mood. Thank you, and God bless you.